children. Today we are going to learn class 4 science lesson number 12. Today we are going to learn the reading. Going into the space. In this lesson we will read and learn about what is the space, life on the moon, people on the moon, space travel. What is a space? The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Atmosphere. It is atmosphere. Beyond this layer is the space. If we throw something up in the air, it comes back to the ground. This is because of the gravitational force. Gravitational gravitational force of the earth. So it is not easy to get out of the earth's pull and go into the space. We need special vehicle called space rockets. SPACEROCKETS. It is a space rockets to go into the space. Man on the moon. In 1969, it was the first time when men went to the moon in a spacecraft. SPACECRAFT spacecraft name. It was Apollo. APOLLO Apollo 2. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. Neil, N-E-I-L, Neil Armstrong, ARMSTRONG. He was the first man to step on the moon. He was accompanied by Edwin, ADWIN, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Along with these two members, he went on the moon. You can see here picture, children. Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, Edwin Aldrin. Life on the moon. There is no air or water on the moon, so there is no life, no planet, no animals, and no people. There are huge potholes on the surface of the moon. These are called craters. Your weight on the moon will be 1/6 of your weight on the earth. Space travel. Did you know the gravitational pull of the moon is less than that of the earth? Space travel. The people who travel to the space in the spacecraft are called astronauts. ASTRONAUTS, astronauts. They have to wear special suit as called as a space suit. Like this way they will wear the space suit. These suits are designed in such a way that they can carry a supply of water. Also, these suits protect them from the harmful rays. In Russia, people who traveled into the space are called as cosmonauts. The Kalpana Chawla, two Indian space women, they went in a space, children. It is one is the Kalpana Chawla and one more is the Sunita Williams. Okay, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. They two Indian space women. Okay, they went in a space.